Hi, I'm Shorty from Gen X Getaway, and today we're going to talk about Costa Rica!
Many people visit Costa Rica for the beaches or the jungles, but few spend time in the friendly capital city of San Jose. However, it is in the capital at University of Costa Rica. I had my close encounter with a sloth. If you visit Costa Rica, take a couple days to check out the capital. Here is what you can do.
Thanks, Shorty. Well, we're going to stay at the Hotel Grano de Oro, which provided 5-star accommodations, including an amazing room with free snacks, a plush bed, a rooftop terrace with hot tubs, a dining terrace, and a fabulous restaurant. This location is close to the Museo de Arte Costarricense, Museum of Costa Rican Art, just off the main road and about a half mile from the hustle and bustle. Benefit for me was a 5-star hotel at a great price. During my visit, the Museum of Costa Rican Art offered free admission. They have a wide variety of art styles, from modern to a sculpture garden to sculpture murals. I was genuinely impressed with the quantity and quality of work on display. I want to talk about 2 pieces that I really loved. Active artist and promoter of female painters through Quiero Pintar, Daniela Marten painted this intensely expressive piece, Carnaval. Next, we head to El Salón Dorado, the room previously used by diplomats at La Sabana Airport. It was designed by French sculptor Louis Feron, and it depicts pre-Columbian, colonial, and post-colonized Costa Rica. Admittedly, I felt very posh walking through the diplomatic lounge. I love visiting foreign universities, but this was something altogether different. The University of Costa Rica offers a nature tour across their preserved ecosystem on campus. For clarity, this is not a zoo or wildlife habitat. They've been reintroducing the natural habitat into the city campus for quite some time. I was already excited by sloths that were visible through telescopes. Imagine my sheer joy when a sloth slowly but surely climbed down the tree from about 5 or 6 feet away. Take a look. I was drawn to the Museo Nacional because it's a bright, yellow, beautiful castle. Upon entry, I immediately knew I made the right choice. I walked through the butterfly garden, a vibrant landscape of aromatic plants and flowers, and into an art exhibit, an old jail cell. The years of inmates' graffiti provided stark contrast to the glass works that were displayed. As expected, I spent quite a bit of time looking at the art exhibit. However, this is a huge museum, and I knew absolutely nothing about Costa Rican history and culture. So the one thing I do want to share as a final takeaway is September 15th is the Costa Rican Independence Day from Spain. So if you find yourself going to Costa Rica and you fly into San Jose Airport, take some time, check out the Museum of Costa Rican Art, the University of Costa Rica walking tour, and the National Museum of Costa Rica. Thanks for tuning in to Gen X Getaway. Safe travels.